Hello everyone, this is Pam from JIACO Instruments. JIACO Instruments has developed a novel method for decapsulation of semiconductor devices without causing process-induced damage to the devices themselves. In this video, I would like to talk about electrical overstress on devices, which is a very common failure type that can be due to the product itself or how the device is used in the field. Electrical overstress is when a very high overcurrent causing extremely high temperatures at a location on the device. This causes a burn on the die or metals where the current is passing through. When you have mold compound close to the electrical overstress location, the mold compound will also be extremely hardened, which makes it very difficult to etch for decapsulation purposes. As you can see in the photo on this system in package device with gallium arsenide, the customer did an acid decapsulation first, and, as expected, you can see the carbonized mold compound, which you cannot decapsulate any further with acid. If you keep going with acid, the gallium arsenide starts to corrode, but the carbonized mold compound remains. So, after acid has exposed the hardened mold compound, you know that it is electrical overstress, but you cannot go any further with your analysis. This is where MIP comes into play. As you can see on the first picture, with MIP you can further remove the carbonized mold compound using a localized MIP etch process. Same goes for the second picture. Here you can also see that MIP is able to remove the carbonized mold compound, which concludes in getting the electrical overstressed features exposed. Then you can do further analysis while you have the direct view of the entire EOS site exposed. When customers suspect it is an electrical overstress issue, they often start with MIP right away to ensure they can remove all the mold compound they want. If they do start with acid, they see the carbonized mold compound, which the acid cannot remove. They still can use MIP to remove the carbonized mold compound. So, that was a short introduction about using the MIP for electrical overstress. Thank you for watching, and in case you have any questions or want to know more, you can visit our website, or simply give me a call via the number on the screen. In our next video, I will dive deeper into copper wire bonding, so make sure you follow our page so you won't miss any of our interesting topics.